Point this thing at the tanks, we can blow them up as well. Tremendous cannon.
And the battery that we have here actually has stenciled on its barrel several aircraft, presumably downed in combat. Coming around now, the Yak-3 again, the Focke-Wulf in pursuit. Go again. The crew changing the angle of incidence on the gun to attempt another crack at the Yak-3. Meanwhile, the German zone Focke-Wulf 190 coming in low and fast in pursuit. Later models of the Focke-Wulf 190 were adapted for use as high-speed, high-altitude interceptors. In fact, the museum's collection now, or at least soon, will include a Focke-Wulf 190D, or Dora, which is equipped with a liquid-cooled engine as opposed to the radial that made the shape of the Focke-Wulf 190 so distinctive and so recognizable. The plane's final development led to post-war development of Allied aircraft such as the Bearcat and also the Hawker Sea Fury, another plane slated to join the collection at the Military Aviation Museum sometime in the near future. Coming around again, the Yak-3, soon to pass over our 88mm anti-aircraft battery. Plug your ears, folks. Maybe. A round of applause, please, for the crew of the German Howard.